Welcome to the Social Stack, your go-to channel for learning about real estate marketing based in technology. I'm Amy Stack, and in this video, you will learn the ins and outs of hashtags. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and social media for your real estate business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button and then make sure to click the bell icon to receive new content notifications. Let's talk hashtags. Hashtags are often misunderstood. Frequently, they're mistaken as a tactic with the sole purpose of increasing likes on social media posts. While they do typically bring more engagement, they also help people find you on social media. Essentially, they're keywords to search by. So here are some tips that will help you understand and utilize hashtags for your business. First, I want to go over some common mistakes to avoid. You want to avoid using only vastly popular hashtags. You want to avoid using outdated or controversial trending hashtags, or only using custom hashtags, using the wrong amount, or even using the same hashtag on every single post. Those are a few things you want to limit in your hashtag game. So using the correct hashtags to enhance your content means limiting general use hashtags. So you want to limit your general use hashtags because while there are always pros and cons with using certain hashtags like trending topics that come and go, there are some that can always add to the list for elevated results, and well-placed trending tag goes a long way. Hashtags that are exceedingly broad can give your post an instant jump in visibility, which leads to increased likes, engagement, and reach. The key is to include them in your post, yet keep them to a minimum. 1 or 2 a post is a good amount. Remember, exclusively using popular hashtags will make it hard for you to stand out in a sea of hundreds of thousands. Hashtag love is the most used hashtag on Instagram with more than 1 billion posts containing it. So imagine if you're only using tags like that, there's nothing to make you stick out in the crowd. The other thing to think about is jumping on the trend wagon when it's possible. If it makes sense in your business to create content that fits a trend, you can get an enormous number of impressions instantaneously. A pro tip I have for you is to always research any trending topic before you utilize their hashtags. You want to ensure that there are no contentious overtones around them. This happens more often than people tend to believe, so you just want to make sure it's a right fit for your business. And again, you don't want to only use trending wagons. You don't want to use only trending hashtags. You want to, like I said, jump on that wagon when it's applicable for your business, and go ahead and just include a couple of them versus having all of your tags be trending ones. Something else to consider is using local or geographic hashtags. This is especially true for local businesses or those trying to increase event attendance. So using hashtags like hashtag Lyle, hashtag Morton Arboretum, or hashtag Discovered DuPage can get your content in front of a local engaged audience. You can also use the tag your location feature on some platforms in specific types of posts. You will find that using industry hashtags is an excellent way for consumers and potential clients to find you as well. You'll find that using these tags like horticulture life or arboretum or flowering trees will fall right into the same usage as those geographic and local tags. You also want to make sure that you're using your custom brand hashtag in every single post. So this creates recognizability and boosts the chance that followers will engage in content on their own. Your custom hashtag is also a way for users to search for you specifically. For example, the hashtag that goes with this YouTube channel is hashtag the social stack. So if you search for that on social media platforms, you'll find things related to this social stack brand specifically. Some best practices for you are to use a lot of hashtags. Well, the amount varies by platform. Twitter limits its characters, for example, and Instagram is a hashtagger's dream. Most studies see a connection between the amount of hashtags and the number of engagements a post receives. So as a good rule of thumb, you'll want to always use more than one hashtag, no matter what platform you're on, and 7 to 15 is the sweet spot for Instagram. I've noticed 9 to 11 seems to be a really good point to reach for on Instagram. A pro tip for you is to make sure that your most important one, your custom brand hashtag, is the first in the line. So while you do want to use it every time, you want to make sure that it's not just that one hashtag. You also want to make sure that you're switching them up. One of the worst mistakes you can make is to continually recycle the exact same hashtags with no variation. This can be detrimental for a number of reasons. Most importantly, it limits your reach. Due to hashtags being searchable and helpful for potential devotees to find content that's pertinent to them, reusing the same ones won't put you in front of any new eyes. Another pro tip I have for you is that this does not apply to your branded hashtag. You want to switch up those peripheral hashtags to expand your reach and bond with new users. If you drop your custom branded one, then when somebody is searching for your brand, they might not find the content that they're looking for. So make sure you always leave yours in there. I actually have some hashtag hacks to share with you today as well. So if you think you're not generating the engagement you expected, there's tons of tools out there to help take the guesswork out of which hashtags to use. So RightTag offers hashtag suggestions for images or texts on any site based on real-time engagement data, and the Hashtag Expert app is a great quick way to find hashtags for your social media posts to increase your reach, likes, and followers while you're on the go. So in short, you want to make sure that you are using a mix of trending tags, commonly used ones, local and brand-specific hashtags to increase your visibility and engagement. You want to make sure that you're rotating your non-essential tags and use the correct amount for the platform that you are utilizing. Of course, you want to make sure that you're always having fun and keeping your brand in mind and your goal front and center for your social media strategy. If you found this video to be helpful today, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel and make sure to check out my other social branding videos.